Would you like to make a custom keyboard shortcut?
No.
Look, if you have Option X,
Yeah, I saw your video.
you can hide the Explorer pane.
Yeah, so how do you hide the Properties pane?
You need to make a custom keyboard shortcut.
Tell me how.
Go to File, Advanced, Customize Shortcuts,
That's easy.
and then type in Properties. Double-click and click Option P.
You mean Alt-P on a PC?
No one uses those. And now, Option P hides the Properties pane. Option X hides the Explorer pane.
You mean Alt-P and Alt-X?
Yes! Please subscribe.